we're cruising at 7,000 feet just by Flagstaff, and the snow is really coming down now. It's not sticking to the windshield, it's like melting as soon as it hits. But I'll show you in a second what it looks like. So it's coming down pretty good now. We're just making our way to Tulsa. I got a gig in Tulsa. It's not sticking to the road, it's not sticking to the bus, so we should be safe. Just one of those crazy adventures again we got. Alright, the snow's starting to stick, but not on the road, luckily. We're at 7,300 feet, and there's a lot of snow, not a lot of snow, just dusting, I guess. But at least it's not sticking on the road, that's the good news. Chief is enjoying the snow. Are you enjoying the snow?
Yeah.
It's not really snow to you though, is it?
No.
It's kind of like baby snow.
If it doesn't stick, it ain't snow.
Yeah, if it doesn't stick, it ain't snow. And as you can see, it ain't sticking, but still pretty cool to see coming from a Texas, Florida boy. Texas/Florida boy. Really snowing now. This is beautiful. I can't wait to get out of it though. We're 36,000 pounds of motorhome plus about 6,000 pounds of car behind us, and I don't want to go skidding off the road. This is really beautiful though. Really beautiful. So as we're continuing to drive through the snow, the temperature's dropped and the snow is starting to freeze on the windshield. Kind of freaking me out a little bit. We're going to probably find a rest area here pretty soon and try to scrape the windshield. Maybe let Chief play in the snow. I don't think he's ever seen snow before. We're in Meteor Crater, Arizona, and I stopped, decided to clean the windshield. You can see the windshield's starting to freeze up. Get all that off of there. See if Chief wants to play in the snow. He's never played in the snow before. But you can see it's pretty nasty out. Kind of starting to warm up a little bit, so I think as further we go east, be less snow, because it was a lot more snow about 20 miles back. But RV's running good. Everything's running good. We're trying to get out of this mess. All right, Kim's all bundled up. She's got a little surprise for Chief. He's never seen snow before, so we're gonna let him play in the snow for just a second, but not for long, that's for sure. Hey buddy, look at the snow, Chief. He didn't want no part of it. Look at the snow, Chief. Apparently Chief does not like snow. I don't blame him. He's ready to snuggle up. Good boy. Hey y'all, well, it was a long day of driving in the snow and sleet, but we made it to Santa Rosa, New Mexico. I'm parked in this lonely truck stop here. Pretty dark, it's a Sinclair truck stop. It's just 3 trucks and our motorhome, and we're here for the night. We drove about 9.5, 10 hours tonight, and we're only 9 hours from Skiatook, Oklahoma, where we're heading in the next day or two. We may break it up, we may do it all in one day, we'll see. Anyway, for my tour tales, I'm Eric Stone. I hope you like this one. Remember, open roads, open minds. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.